and format a document in Pages. Here at Lincoln Academy, we have certain rules that you need to follow in all of your classes. That's pretty standard for writing classes. Find Pages and open that up. Now, this has been opened up recently, but you see here that this is the last screen that was up. If you see, say for example, if it opens up inside another paper, you simply hit the document button to go out, create a new one like this, say create document. Now, templates are basically pre-formatted documents. You will not need to use any other template than blank for most assignments. If it's a writing assignment, you're going to want to choose blank, because then you'd have to change a lot of formatting. So tap on blank, and here you have a blank document. Margins in Pages are automatically set to 1 inch, which is what you need to make sure that you have in a document. You have here at the very top, as long as you've got a cursor here, then this stuff shows up. Okay? Helvetica is the name of a font, so it looks like this. Okay? Then this is the font size, and we've got some style things: bold, italics, underline, and this is alignment. Now, that changes the way that your words spread out on the page. You'll want to start with left, and then we'll do center for the title and go back to left for the rest of the document. This button right up here we're going to use to change our spacing. And there are lots of cool things in here. It's opened up in layout. Sometimes it opens up in style, or sometimes it opens up in list, depending on what was used last. But for the purposes of our assignment, and most school assignments, you can do that all right here in layout, and we don't need to worry about the other things because they're already there for you. Now the font that you need to do on writing assignments is Times New Roman or Cambria. The iPad does not have Cambria, and so you have to choose Times New Roman. 12-point font is also what we need to do. And then at the top of the page, we write our name. So I'm going to put up a semi-fictitious name. There was actually a radio guy named Harvey Wallbanger who told the rest of the story. It was a nice radio show. Then after your name, you hit enter. You do the date. I don't know of, I don't think that you have to worry about how you put the date in. You can do numbers, or you can put it just like this. Except if you go with this format, you need to make sure that it's formatted right. Okay. Third line is your teacher, and then what period you have them. So you don't need to worry about putting keyboarding or anything else like that. Okay. Then you hit return, and this is where we put the title. You do center, and you put your title in here. Okay, and before you even hit enter from there, tap on that paintbrush again and change that from 1 to 2. Make you tap on that up arrow 4 times from 1. And then you hit return, it goes down, and we change the justification or the alignment to left. Okay, every paragraph on your writing assignment should start with an indent, and to do that, you merely tap on that cursor, which is the blinking line, hit Insert. Now, obviously, you make sure that you hit the right button. And Tab. Okay, just like on the computer, you hit the Tab button to indent. You do the same thing here. Then you start writing here, and make sure that it starts with a capital. And then you finish your story, or your paper, or your whatever assignment you've been given to write. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. But hopefully this tutorial has been helpful.